I, Dr. Ikram Alias from the Department of Biochemistry, Faculty of Medicine, UKM, would like to share my practice of conducting interactive flip lectures. In the Faculty of Medicine, UKM, attendance to classes, including lectures, is compulsory. One quick way of how we lecturers recording down the attendance is through asking students to fill in Google Form. By opening the Responses tab on the Google Form, we lecturers are able to quickly check the numbers of students attending our face-to-face flip lecture. Ladies and gentlemen, the innovation that I would like to share here is not only about a way of recording students' attendance during lectures. However, the main innovation that I would like to share in this presentation here lies on the additional items or question being asked on the same Google Form for recording their attendance. For each flip lecture session, students are expected to watch and listen to pre-recorded video lectures uploaded on UKM Folio prior to the flip lecture session scheduled in the timetable. Therefore, during the face-to-face flip lecture session, besides recording down their attendance on the Google Form will also allow us to do survey on which subtopic from the video lecture that they found the most difficult to understand. This survey will help lecturers to be more selective and have some idea to decide which subtopic they should re-explain during the flip lecture session. By doing so, it will leave a strong message to the student to watch and listen to the whole video lectures and never expect the lecturer to cover all subtopics during the flip lecture session. In other words, this practice will encourage students to be independent in their own learning. The last item in the survey that I usually had is the question asking students on how they find the topics of the lecture, either easy or difficult to understand. The intention of asking this question is to encourage the students to do bits of self-reflection for the good of their learning. In conclusion, by taking extra mileage in effort exploring which subtopics that are worth to be covered again during the flip lecture session, this practice of conducting flip lectures will help lecturers to construct two-way and interactive discussion during the flip lecture session. This practice will help the lecturers to conduct flip lectures in form of feedback and reflection. This way, we lecturers are able to make the face-to-face flip lectures more student-centered rather than syllabus-centered. The flip lecture will also become more interactive, i.e. students are able to express and indicate which subtopic they want the lecturers to cover in more detail. By being more selective in choosing the subtopic to be re-explained during the flip lecture session, this practice will promote active and self-directed learning.